Machine learning is changing the way we make games. Any 2019 game developers CONUGRANCEIS the place to be if you are looking to better understand how machine learning techniques can be applied across different disciplines to help you build great games. The first thing you should look at is the DD 2019 machine learning tutorial, a special day-long deep dive into the state of machine learning in game development, and what sorts of tricks and techniques are being used by the best in the business. In his machine learning tutorial talk on beating wall hacks using deep learning with limited resources. For example, any XONKO array bastion SQL will show you how Nextnkarilla has developed a real-time automated wall hack detection system using convolutional neural networks with a small dataset and a single pure. By using class activation maps, the network finds suspicious areas within a screenshot that improves the credibility of the model's performance and makes debugging datasets much more efficient. Model interpretability plays a crucial role in incorporating deep learning within existing abuser control policies. As a result, the system now detects abusers in real time and reduces manual inspection labor significantly. Plus, there's a smorgasbord of intriguing DD 2019 talks outside the machine learning tutorial that present different perspectives on the best ways to use ML in your own games. Among them is a new era of performance capture with machine learning, a session presented by Ubisoft Montreal's Daniel Holden that's all about how ML tech is changing the way that teams handle performance capture. In his talk, Holden will dig into the details of several new performance capture technologies developed at Ubisoft LawForge, including a neural network used to automatically clean motion capture data, an end-to-end solution for capture of facial animation from video, and a machine learning solution which can generate visual animation from raw audio. Do not miss out. And in assisted artistry, applying deep learning to games content creation, Unity Technologies graphics director Natasha Chatterjee will explore the opportunities to apply deep learning to the problems of game content creation, with a focus on pragmatic integration into game tool pipelines and runtime. It's a promising talk, and attendees can expect to walk away with practical approaches for applying deep learning techniques to the content creation workflows for games resources, new ways to tackle constraints, and guidance on how to achieve efficient content generation in practical game pipelines. Building a use of chat detection systems with deep learning is another promising DD 2019 talk you will want to see if you are at all curious about this stuff. Presented by Blizzard Senior Data Scientist Ryan Brackney, this talk aims to provide you with a technical framework for building an abusive chat detection system with deep learning, and a system for moderating the communication of an in-game global community of players will face a number of challenges, including how to handle the unique and ever-changing lingo of players, accommodate multiple languages and cultural values simultaneously, and being robust against players trying to circumvent the detection methods. This talk will describe in detail the deep learning architecture and systems-level solutions Blizzard chose to tackle these problems, with an eye towards helping you apply what Blizzard learned to your own solutions. Audio experts are encouraged to check out Introduction to Machine Learning for Game Audio, because Speaker John Bird, CEO of Gigantic Software, will give you a quick summation of the most relevant research in this exciting field, and describes novel applications of machine learning. Specifically for interactive audio, you will see demonstrations and code for automatic feature extraction, classification, speed code detection, emotion detection, and character synthesis, and you will get pointers to papers on open source implementations of these algorithms. Expect to walk away with a list of rules. What will and what will not be possible with deep learning until the year 2030, and some new ideas for how to apply it to your own projects. Further details on this machine learning talks and many more are available now on GDC 2019 session scheduler. There you can begin to lay out your GDC 2019, which takes place March 18th through the 22nd at the newly renovated Moscone Center in San Francisco. Bring your team to GD, register a group of 10 or more and save 10% on conference passes. Learn more. For more details on GDC 2019, visit the show's official website, or subscribe to regular updates via Facebook, Twitter, or Gamasutra and GD are sibling organizations under parent company Informa. Whether you are just starting out, looking for something new, or just seeing what's out there, the Gamasutra job board is the place where game developers move ahead in their careers. Gamasutra's job board is the most diverse, most active, and most established board of its kind in the video game industry, serving companies of all sizes, from indie to AAA. Here are just some of many positions being advertised right now. If you are a recruiter looking for talent, you can also post jobs here. Location: Marina Del Rey, California. Skydance Interactive, known for Archangel, a futuristic mech combat game in virtual reality, and PWNT, a high-flying, close-pounding, multiplayer rocket launcher shooter, is now bringing the iconic phenomenon of The Walking Dead to the VR realm. Skydance Interactive is looking for a gameplay engineer to join our studio. In this position, you will be responsible for maintaining and extending major game subsystems, creating and optimizing gameplay elements, and working with the design team to implement ideas while providing technical and creative feedback. At Skydance Interactive, we believe that a small, focused, and dedicated team of talented people can create exceptional games. Location: Culver City, California. Heart Machine is a small, deeply motivated and close-knit team located in Los Angeles. Our focus is gameplay that's engaging, fluid and fun, while also building atmosphere through launch art and sound design. We are immensely excited to be creating things we love every day. We are looking for talented, passionate people to become part of our small crew, to help build and shape something ambitious and completely unique from the ground up. Although we work incredibly hard, our studio is not a crunch factory. We like to live our lives, have holidays, and remain healthy throughout a project. Work-life balance is important. If you are an incredibly capable level designer, with ample spatial reasoning skills, a strong sense of storytelling and pacing, and an artistic eye for great compositions, please reach out to us. Location: Los Angeles, California. Founded in 2014 with the goal of expanding the potential of immersive storytelling, Weaving creates, acquires, and distributes premium VR experiences across web, mobile, console and headsets, including Oculus Rift Go, Samsung Gear VR, HTC Vive, Sony PlayStation VR, Google Daydream, and Xiaomi Niva. We are looking for a systems designer to join our team. At Weaving, we move fast in a rigorous and creative environment. The right candidate will be an inventor, optimizer, and collaborator who possesses persistence and determination to create beloved experiences. Above all, The systems designer must be passionate about driving results and making great products. As a systems designer, you will be responsible for the development and execution of systems that captivate our users. You will be trusted to fully understand the people we serve and apply your expertise toward deeply engaging them. If you share our belief that virtual and augmented reality will be a major part of the future, and you think you can help us create that future, we do love to meet you. Location: Bellevue, Washington. Sucker Punch is an award-winning developer of PlayStation games. We produced the Sly Cooper series of stealth platformers for the PlayStation 2, which taught the youth of the world that stealing was okay in certain circumstances. More recently, we have been working on the infamous United States series of games, which explore the joy of having superpowers and the pain of sidekicks nagging you about how to use them. We work on one game at a time, on one platform at a time, and all we care about is the quality of the games we produce.